Hi, so I just downloaded all these characters from Mixamo, and this is the character which I'm going to import inside the Unreal Engine. So now go to back here in the Unreal Engine 5.4, which is newly recently released this version. So now just go to the games, and here you will see the third person character, right? Few things you will see new inside this third person thing. Okay, now just go to back here, and I say tps underscore uh, adding weapons. So the weapons. Okay, now just I've created. So yeah, let's start. Yes. So the first thing is we need to set our UI, which is user interface, right? So say UE4 classic layout. Now I can see everything is here, right? And first thing is we need to add the character. So I'll create a new folder and I'll say the characters and animation. Do double click and get the character first, which I've just downloaded from this. Go to in the download section. Where is that? Yeah, in the download we will see all these characters have come. So first we will add this character, right? Unnamed, forward, jump, unarmed, run, idle. This is the character, Pumpkin Hulk. Okay, so now import, and here you do not have to set anything. Okay, such a import. Now you can see all the textures is ready and material also is ready, but few things we will do inside the, we will do change inside the material editor. Before that we will add first the animation. So select all the animations together now, say open, and here again uh, this is the skeleton, right? And one more thing which is we have to see exported animation, which is here, see, exported time. Now just import, right? And first thing is we need have to say the save all. So all the characters are inside this folder. Go back to here, and now check alt and p. This is the character, right? But here we will replace our character. So I'll create a new folder, and folder name will be bp underscore replace. Okay, do double click. First thing we will create the animation blueprint, and before that we'll do the blend space, right? So inside the blend space, first we will select the pumpkin hulk and say bs underscore pumpkin. Okay, do double click, and now here you will see all the animations together. And first we will say speed here, and we will keep the time, which will be 400. I'm just keeping. Okay, so you can see 400 frames here. And this is the blend space, and keep this idle here. And second one will be the jump, no, run forward. Okay, so actually mistake was done in the downloading part. So it is moving towards this character, which is displays character. So I'll just delete. Okay, so I'll delete there, but this is the in place one. This is the in place animation. Drag and drop, and hold control and check the animation whether it is good. Yes. Okay, so now it is done. Go to here and close it. So blend space we created. Now again another thing is the blueprint animation which is here, right? Inside that also we have to select the pumpkin character, which was our main character, right? So here I'm just keeping bp underscore pumpkin character underscore, right? Do double click, and inside that we will create the state machines. Say state machine, and here I'll say pumpkin animation. Okay, and first thing we will drag it to this. We will have to connect so that it will directly animate all this, animation which will include inside this. So do double click inside this state machine, and here again we will create the state machine. Right here say idle and run. So these two animation we will include inside this. Do double click and go inside, and again we will add the bs blend space which we have created previously. So say bs underscore pumpkin blend space, right? And connect with this. Okay, so here inside this you will see event graph, and this is the state machine. So inside event graph again you will see these two types of event functions. So first I'll create here vector length get get velocity and vector length we will create. Okay, and here I've created this get velocity, right? Where velocity node, and we will have to add this vector length also, vector length. Now we will create again this as a variable. So just connect and say promote to variable, right? And I'll say the name which will be speed. Yeah, and connect with this, right? So we have created this two things, and this speed variable we will add here. Sorry, again go to back in the state machine, and you will see the variable here. Get it here and connect with this. Yes, say connect. Now you will see the animation which is here. Okay, and inside this again we will have to create this run animation. Okay, so go to in the third person. First we will replace, and we will check whether our character is working or not. So just save it first, go to back inside that third person, blueprint character, and here we will replace our character. Now select the character which is this. Inside the mesh option you will see the pumpkin character. Now also we have created the blueprint class which was pumpkin character. Now you will see everything is done, and say alt and P to play the movie which is here. See, yes, character is running and everything is replaced except jump. Okay, so for the jump also we will do few commands here. Go back to here in the state machine. I'll create a new state again. Okay, and this state will be for the jump, right? So sorry, do double click. Done. Do double click, and inside that we will add again the jump and connect with this, because inside this we will create the jump, and again bring this node to this idle node. Right here you will see the transitions. Do double click, and here I'll create again this variable. So before that we have to go with a different node which we have to create here. That will be different variable, like similar as the speed for the jump we have to create. So here I'll say movement uh, component, get movement component, right? And is in air, so is falling, we have to say. Inside that we will add again the variable, and I say is in air. Okay, and connect with this. So now we have additional variable. Now go back to here, say compile first. Before compile means here we have to add. So this this variable is here, and connect with this. So if it is going in the up, so there will be no other nodes here. Go back to here, and this is going directly to jump if it is in air then. And here we will add additional condition which we have to add, that is boolean, not boolean, because here we are saying in the this character is not in the air, so here we will apply this not boolean. Okay, just go to back and check. So I think our jump also is working here, see. Yes. Okay, so now I think we done this part, and we will have to add a few things which is asset. So we'll go with asset thing. Go to in the quick cell breeze, there you will see lots of assets. So I'll add this X. Okay, so I think I'm good with this. I'll just add this first. They say login. So just I logged in, and we have to download first, right, this asset. Okay, and yes, now done. So add this asset inside your this. Okay, so I can see the double-sided X, double-headed X. Go back to here, and in the back we will create new blueprint, which is this blueprint class, and I'll say the actor, right? So actor means here we will add the X, double-headed. If you want to mention the name, you can just do double click, and first thing we will add the static mesh, and I say X. Inside this we will select the X. Now done. And you want to increase, decrease the size directly, you can do from here also, or inside that socket part we will do that there also. So go to here, back. This is the pumpkin character which we done. So in the BS section, BS means blend space, to double click, and here you will see the skeleton tree, right? So in the right hand, just do type here right hand. So here you can see this is the hand. Here we will add the X, right? So do right click and say add socket, right? In this socket you want to change the name of it. Also you can add X socket. Okay, say select all, because here name I'm just copying it. Okay, just copy it and go back to here, and inside that again we will add the X part. So add the preview asset which is here. Inside that you will see this. Yes, and actually maintain the camera speed so that we will go inside this, right? Yes, this character actually we have to select from this again. This is the X, right? Okay. Okay. Scale it. It will look better. Okay. Yes. So we have added this. Go to back here, just say save and close it because we done the adding part. And the thing is, inside the third person character, we have to add a few blueprints or few commands here. So I'll just use the keys. So for the key, like I want to go with the F keyword, right? F. This is the key, right? And here we will add actor from class, right? And from here we will call this X. And again we have to target the transformation. So get socket transformation, which is this mesh, right? So this mesh, actually this mesh is going to act with this socket mesh. So if it is not satisfying with you, so directly you can drag and drop and you can connect like this also, uh, like this. And which we have copied the name. So that name was this control plus V X socket, right? So now we done. Okay, and here we will not do anything. So here attach actor to component, right? Attach actor to component, right? And here also we have to give the target, which is mesh. So connect with this, and few things we have to do here, which is snap to target, snap to target, snap to target. Done. Go back to here, say compile, and just I want to check whether our character is getting the X or not. So say it is not in the same position. Go to back here, and we haven't mentioned the name yet. So say control plus V. Yes. Say compile, and it is done. See, if your character will move, then X also will move like this. Okay. And one more thing we have to do, which is flip flop node. And like I want to switch again this to here again. I will have to say this flip and flop node we have to use, right? So here this in this node, or directly I can take from here also, say detach from actor, right? And connect with this. Okay, nothing you have to do. Say go back to here, check this, and say F F F F F. Okay, so I hope understood.